from Enjoy Star Food. We are heading towards Takakkau Fall, which is located in the Yoho Park. And what an awesome and scenic view, Dia.
Yeah, and the Yoho Park is in British Columbia.
Yeah.
Right now we are in Alberta and enjoying the beautiful views of Rocky Mountains.
Wow, look at those scenes, guys. You will be enjoying in this our journey for sure. Oh, people, look at that river on my left side. That's called Bow River, and that's run through all the Highway 1. Oh wow, those look at those bridges. Like that's government made for the animal crossing. So those are beautiful bridges along the way towards the Takakkaw Fall. Wow. Look at those sceneries, guys. It look like somebody painted on the canvas. It's not real, but it's real, guys. You guys need to go there, guys. You should enjoy those sceneries and nature. Wow, Dia.
Yeah, everybody should come and visit
Enjoy this
these
nature,
places.
right? Wow. We are standing right now on the border of Alberta and behind the camera my lovely wife Dia is with me, and probably we are like 30 kilometers away right now, and Takakkaw Fall located inside the Yoho National Park. So stay tuned, stay with us. I will show you the more excited journey for the Takakkaw Fall. See you there.
Hi, this is Dia again behind the camera. So, KB,
I hope so. We just reached a Spiral Tunnel view. It's a very marvelous view. We're still like heading towards Takakkaw Fall. It's a little bit like maybe a 20 kilometers away right now. Sun just came out. So we'll just follow me. I'll show you the Spiral Tunnel view. It's a very marvelous and very wonderful.
so beautiful. Mm-hmm. Very refreshing.
Yeah, can you zoom in?
It's a very refreshing.
Refreshing,
Oh,
wonderful.
wonderful. and very fresh oxygen, and especially the beautiful smell of the trees.
Yeah, so fresh air. Sun just came out. I can see a very dark cloud here. Maybe rain gonna be in a moment. I can
So
see here.
let me introduce the tunnel. I hope so you people can see it or not. So this is the tunnel over there. You wanna say something about this
Yeah, a lot
tunnel?
of people stop off here, and we can see this is a old, I think so. Not old actually. It's still functional, and still rail cars use those to pass by. Yeah, pass by. I was here last time a couple of years back. The rail car was crossing that tunnel and bridge. So cool.
So cool, really.
So let's show you some more of its
Attractions.
information here. We have a lot of boards here.
The history.
Yeah, history and all the info as well. So let's show you those things as well.
So there is the history written on this board about the National Historic Sites of Canada. So it's clear, so you people can read it.
Some information here on the stone as well.
What, Kevin?
So here we have some more history in the stone. They put that milestone here. The first recorded in the report of the Palliser expedition of 1857 to 60. This pass takes its name from an incident kicked by his horse while exploring in the vicinity. So this is a lot of history here. I think so. This is the guy. So some more history here. And
This is the model of the tunnel.
so this is
Am I right, Kevin? This is the model of the
yeah,
tunnel.
this is a basically model, whatever you guys just saw in that footage.
Yeah.
They
The
put
mountain?
Yeah, so it's a mountain and
So it's look like this.
yeah.
The tunnel in the mountain looks like this.
So you can see here. Yeah, and you guys, if somebody will stop over here, there's a washroom. People, Takakkaw Fall is the second tallest waterfall of Canada. Please stay tuned for the wonderful views of the Takakkaw Fall for the next video. See ya!